Right, as I was saying, top fan's working like a jet engine. Listen. Can you hear it? I can slow it down. I'll show you. I'll just slow it down. This is the one that come from Spain. Yeah, that's on full power at the moment. That's 6, down to 5, 4, 3, 2, and now we're down to 1. That is still running. I'll just show you the fan controls that we've got. It's quite good really. On and off, which is that. Off. Then you've got auto. Power has to be on first. Auto. Which is that one. So when it's on green, it just lets it do its own thing. Then you got timer, which is the yellow. Then you can give it 30 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, or 4 hours. So the plus moves it around, look, see? Oh, it's a different colour, which is great. Oh, 4 hours is maximum. I thought it was 10 hours, it's 10 minutes is the next one round. Okay, so if we go back. Okay, and then that's timer mode. We've sold auto mode. Now we go to manual mode. Manual mode is blue. And here we go again. We press the button for, and then like a jet engine. You don't need that. We put it on automatic. That's what we're going to leave it on. But anyway, so I've fitted this one here. Manual mode minus. This is a 4-inch 90mm fan, two 90mm twin fans at the bottom with a rectifier. Now I've actually broken one of the blades on the fan, because as I put it on, as I was putting it on, the fan caught that, because it lines up about here and then goes that way, fits in that gap between there and there. I caught the fan on that, snapped the propeller off, so it sounds like a tractor engine now. I'm trying to glue it back on with not very much good luck, to be honest. But here's the rectifier. This is the rectifier, so this stabilises the voltage so that you don't have any problem with anything. I can't find what I'm doing. There's my connection. There's the connection. I'll put it all in the trunk in, look, in this. That's an off cut. Move that. That plugs into the twin fans, which I've broken the one fan propeller on the fan. Great, isn't it? Great, and a perfect job. I'll just store that back in there. Ain't gonna hurt nobody, is it? Store that in there. So you have a bit of a night glow on a night with that little light. But anyway, handy bit of kit that is, to be honest. Right, so something I want to show Titan is on this one. There's a knockout directly on the back, so the cables are going through the hole there, directly through the hole. On this one, the problem I've got is I'm going to have to fit it like that. I'll cut a slot in there, but look, I just can't do anything with it. Don't matter what I do, on this is the cables. So what I'm going to do, I've taken off the back plate. Which is this, and I'm going to cut a couple of slots for those cables to come out the back. You need to put a provision on the back plate so that the cables can come out of the back of this plate. Whether you supply 2 plates or just the one, that'll be with you really. But personally, I think I would supply 2 plates, one for it to go out the back and one for it to you know, come out the side of it. When coming out the side of it, you're always going to see them black wires. Anyway, without further ado, I'm going to get my trusty multi-tool and I'm going to cut 2 slots in it. Okay, I'll stop the video for now and show you when I've done it. Alright.